So we started with the end, but the end is nothing like the beginning, and we must start from the beginning. We have to see everything. We have lots of meat, and meat, different types of meat. Proper seasoning is always part of good cooking, and I'm using just chili pepper and salt. It never disappoints, but don't take my words for it. You just need to try it yourself, so you can take my word for it. So this meat took about 1 hour to cook. Cover it. You need ground melon seeds. You are going to add water and mix properly until it forms a paste. This will serve as the thickener for the soup, so we leave that behind. We are starting with palm oil. We have to fry the egusi first, and this is your best approach if you want the best looking egusi soup. Everybody want the best, right? You'll be frying this for the next 15 to 20 minutes. You will notice when the crumbs start to form from beneath, and that's exactly what you want. So go ahead and add the beef stock. Once the egusi is properly fried and no longer sticking to the bottom of the pot, add all the meats you've got, and you want to stir everything to combine. I think this looks really nice. These are stock fish. I have got a lot of them, but I'm finally looking at the size of this pot and all the many things that are yet to be added. Cover it. So I decided to use otaze leaves for this soup, but I still had to wash it properly to reduce the bitter taste from the otaze. So I'm washing and squeezing, and it actually looks and tastes just like bitter leaves, but it tastes better. Uncover it. You can notice I had to change the pot to accommodate every other thing that needs to be added. Add a seasoning cube, add some crayfish, ground crayfish. You don't need more than that. We've got lots of fishes and lots of meats that bring their own natural flavors and taste to the soup, so you don't need to do too much. Add salt to taste, then stir everything to combine. Finally, we add the catfish. Catfish is the main subject in this matter, in this soup, and it was only a matter of time. This was the reason I had to change the pot, because I don't want to be struggling with the catfish when stirring it and all of that. Add the leaves, otaze leaves. If you've not tried this before, you probably don't get it yet, but you will someday somewhere when you eventually try it out. Cover it, uncover it. Your soup should be actually ready in 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't take much time for catfish to cook. You want the catfish to cook and infuse that sugary taste into your soup. So we are just going to stir the soup to stop it from sticking to the bottom of the pot. But you want to be careful. You don't want to break up the fish. Nobody likes broken pieces of fish. Cover again and let the soup cook for some extra time. Altogether, I shouldn't be doing more than 15 minutes. And that is it. Thank you for watching. You can go ahead and serve your soup with semo, fufu, eba, whatever you have. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Chef Chide. Thank you once again.